Hi again, welcome back to the Dorflinger Factory Museum show in White Mills, Pennsylvania. My name is Franz Hellwig. Everything you see here is for sale. At this show I feature mostly 90% local glass, either Clark and Maple City, or on the back wall, all Dorflinger. Here's a landscape from back in the day, in the turn of the century, of the area where the factory was. And with that, we'll begin video 3 here. I have a classic globe-shaped picture in Marlboro by Dorflinger. Doesn't get any more classic than that. Hobstar base, pattern cut handle, and it is $5.50. So Russian pattern wine. It's got the pattern cut foot by Dorflinger, and it's a single wine. It's $1.50. The theme of globe pictures. Here is number 28 design by Dorflinger. I might add that these 3 came from a local collection here in White Mills that was built probably 50 years ago, maybe even 60 years ago. And I'm getting off track here, but here's a number 28 bulbous pitcher or globe pitcher. It is only $85. There's one of my top pieces or in patterns in Dorflinger. It's the Mandarin pattern, and this is a very true rarity. A 12-inch diameter plate, has a slightly curled rim, very little. Great blank, superb cutting, very unusual hobstars, beautiful vesicas. Really shows off the pattern, which is shown on page 81 of line drawings. The tray is $27.95. Another globe or bulbous pitcher, pattern cut handle, hobstar base, really fabulous polish finish. It's 8 inches tall. Pattern is shown on page 49 of line drawings, and it's $3.25. So wonderful large Russian pattern salad bowl, the split point hobstars. It's 10 inches diameter, very clear, excellent quality blank, crosshatch buttons, and it's only $4.95. Here's a 14-inch tall trumpet vase. It's in that scarce pilgrim pattern by Dorflinger. That's also shown in the line drawings catalog. This is only the second one of these I think I've had. Unfortunately, there's a chip on top, and then there's some cloudiness down in the point. Given all of that, it's only $49. It's a really large cologne set, cylinder colognes in Russian by Dorflinger. Thick, heavy blanks. They're shown on page 2 of the C. Dorflinger & Sons catalog. Great pair, and these are only $8.95. Here's a wide mouth jug in Russian. It's got clear buttons, star cut base, triple diamond cut handle, 6.5 inches tall, and it's only $2.75. Here's the last of the double shot glasses in strawberry diamond and fan by Dorflinger, and it is $95. There's a cute little suite of Russian pattern stems. Got the port wine, the taper sherry, and the water goblet, all with Russian pattern cut feet. And the 3-piece suite is $4.95. There's a flute chips decanter. Has the matching flute stopper, a starburst cut on top and bottom. And typical of Dorflinger, that has a monogram. They were custom done for the recipients. Fluted handle, and it is only $3.95. Hob diamond pattern salad set by Dorflinger. Has the fork and the spoon. Really nice cutting. Great set, and it is $4.95. It's a solid cobalt. Solid cobalt glass, which is difficult to see because it's in the stainless steel cases, stainless steel top. Salt and pepper are $85. Here's a block diamond design salt and pepper set, and it is 110. These are very rare. They're hollow stem champagnes, and there's a set of 4, and they're cut in the classic Marlboro pattern by Dorflinger. 5.5 inches tall. The set is $4.95. Dixie pattern carafe by Dorflinger. The pattern is shown in the line drawings catalog. Really nice carafe, 7.5 inches tall, and it's only $95. Here's a smaller set of cylinder clones in Russian by Dorflinger. I think one of them has a ding. That one's clean. Yep, that one has a ding. So the pair is only $3.75. Clear button Russian. Wide mouth jug again, similar to the other one, but this one's cut in starred button Russian. Very fine scallop top. Pattern cut hob diamond, classic Dorflinger. It is $5.25. It's a really scarce pattern by Dorflinger. It's their Princess pattern, and this is the square blank cologne. It's shown in the C. Dorflinger and Sons catalog. Great pattern by them. It's got very fine channel cutting in it and very fine block cutting with hob stars cut on them. It is again $11.95. Great ladle in the classic American pattern. I suspect that these were used in a number of punch bowls, not just limited to American, because I do run across these every now and then, and people always think that each punch bowl had a specific pattern cut ladle, but it's not the case, because I've seen them pictured in advertisements and catalogs with miscellaneous ladles. They can be other patterns with specific punch bowls. Anyway, this is patterns from the late 1880s, and it's signed Dorflinger, and it's only $4.95. It's a ruby cut to clear compote, cut in clear button hob stars, which is great because that helped to preserve the color. There is good color retention on this. Star cut base, hollow teardrop stem, and it's only $6.95. Here's 2 different examples of the teardrop shapes that Dorflinger did in Russian. They're shown in the C. Dorflinger and Sons catalog. This one's a heart shape, really cute, $2.25, and this one's more of a crescent shape or bone-ish shape, or leaf shape, I guess, because it's got like a little stem there. And it's also $2.25, I'm sorry. 1-1 pattern, Sultana rose bowl, identical to the one in my collection. It's got the clear windows, and it also, my favorite is that the pattern wraps around into the base. It's not just a star cut or hob star cut. I forgot to mention that with the big Dorflinger bowl, it does the same thing. It's pattern, fully pattern cut around the base. Rose bowl is $11.95. Great 1-1 pattern. Got in the mix. The colognes got mixed in here. I've got a couple of other patterns that are not Dorflinger, but it's Wild Rose by Tuthill. It's clearly signed. Excellent engraving and excellent cutting. I love the combination pieces. Great flower on the base, and it's $7.95. There's a signed Hawks. It's actually double signed. The stopper and the cologne bottle are signed with the acid mark, and it's $4.95. A nice done Mayo with underplate. I'm pretty sure this is Clark also. It's very similar to the first one we had in Genoa. Great cane and hob star cutting. It's $1.45. Here's one of the nicest muffineers or sugar shakers that I've ever seen. It's in Atlantic by Bergen. Really top notch, beautiful ornate top. And that's early. It's 1893-ish, so it's $3.95. Ruby cut to clear whiskey and flute by either Clark or Dorflinger. Has the faceted cut neck, the bird's mouth beak, and then the colored pattern matching stopper. It's $11.65. Great rose bowl It's in Lorraine by Dorflinger, and it is 6 inches in diameter, and it is $3.25. Here's a pair of Master Salts cut in classic strawberry dominant fan by Dorflinger, and the pair is $1.60. Single cylinder cologne, it's in Hob Diamond, shown in the C. Dorflinger and Sons catalog, and it is $2.25. Shown in the same area of the catalog is their number 680 design, another cylinder cologne by Dorflinger, and it is $2.50. Another area company is Kelly and Steinem, and this is their Windsor pattern. Very fine, heavy, brilliant blank. Would have been $3.95, but there are some chips, so I'm just going to do $99 on it. And our final piece for video 3 is this 1/1 rated Dorflinger Sultana 6-inch diameter plate. Very fine piece. Again, the center incorporates the pattern, and it is $2.75. And well, that concludes video 3 from the Dorflinger Factory Museum. This is September 2025. And again, I'm Franz Helwig. If you see anything, please contact me.